Okay, quick update on Hooptie build number 2, Craftsman LT4000. We had a failure in the fuel pump yet again. Just for clarification, today is June 10th, 2022. This video won't be uploaded until sometime in October. Just to give you an idea of when it is being made. So anyways, I purchased the fuel pump off Amazon for right around $28, $29. I don't know if I paid shipping on it or not. It arrived the other day, got it installed, and this machine ran. It would only run on choke, so that kind of concerned me, but I figured, okay, this is a dirty carb. But the problem got gradually worse. Now the fuel pump is not even working at all. This is the original one back on here, because the one that was on here is in the garage. Hopefully the seller will take it back. It's Amazon, and when it comes from China, it's a 50-50. A lot of times they'll just refund you, or they'll give you back half your money and tell you to keep the part and just throw it out. It's happened before. So anyways, I'm not going back with another factory style pump. I've decided to go with an electric pump. So I can get an electric pump for the same price I paid for this pump on here. Maybe a bit more, not by much though. So anyways, I'm going to put an electric pump on here. I shouldn't have to do a return. It's a 2.5 to 4 psi pump, so this probably runs about 3 psi, I'd say. So we should be okay. If I run into issues, I will even stick a fuel shutoff valve before the pump. That'll slow down the volume, and it'll be underneath the dash, so no one will ever see it, and it'll be fine. So I'll probably mount it, probably these holes right here, and we'll be good to go on that. With this pump here, the pump I purchased for this, it wasn't the cheapest pump, it wasn't the most expensive. I try to go right in the middle when it comes to parts like this, and I still got screwed. The pump I put on here had halfway decent reviews. Some say it was perfect, some say no, it was garbage. So really, it's hard to tell what you're going to get, and for everybody always has different opinions on everything. The more expensive pumps even have similar reviews, and even the cheaper pumps even have similar reviews. Some say they work fine, some say they leak gas into the crankcase, so on and so on. But anyways, that's where we're at on this machine right now. The pump will be here tomorrow, June 11th. Will I get it installed right away? Don't know yet, but you guys won't see this video for a while anyways. So that's what's going on with LT4000 Hooptie build number 2. I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.